Hello, welcome to Cleekly. Today, we'll talk about the application of Object Editor. First, let's look at an adventure our hero has encountered on his journey. In today's video, we will reproduce this adventure together. It will include 1. Place and set a store. 2. Place and set items. 3. Place projectiles. First, let's see how to place and set a store. In Cleekly, store is also the object type of units. We modify the attributes of the unit and give the unit some store-specific attributes. Open the Object Editor, select Units, and add a new object. In New Object window, select Building as a subtype. Name the new project Store. Then, select a proper model and an avatar that you like. Click Create to confirm. Place the store we just created on the map. Select the store unit. Use the status bar above to do some personalized editing. Adjust its location, angle, and scale. Then, it's time to edit the attributes of the store. Select the store, click Edit Object, go to Data, modify Name Display to No Display. Choose No Health Bar for Health Bar style. Then, scroll down to find the unit state. Double-click to edit it. Check Forbid Movement. Forbid Turning. Cannot move. Cannot be locked by ability. Invulnerable. Cannot be attacked, immune to physical damage, and immune to magical damage. Now, the store is much closer to the state of a building, and it will not be affected by other events. Then, we need to design a weapon to be sold in the store. Select Items, add a new object, modify its name, choose a model and an icon for the weapon. We can also right-click or Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to copy and paste two consumables as custom items for easier later use. After that, we will add these items to the store for sale, so we need to set the store attributes of these items. Select the weapon we customized. In Fix Attributes, scroll down to find Shop. Modify Initial Stock to 20 and Max Stock to 22. Double-click the resource cost and make sure that gold is unchecked for convenience of testing. Repeat the steps to set the two other consumables. Now, all the items' store attributes are set. Next, we need to add the items to the store for sale. In Units, select Store, tick Is Shop, then click to edit. In Saleable Goods List, click to add a new tab. Select the new tab, add the weapon we created and the items. Then, we need to set the customer. Select Player Relationship for the customer type. Tick All Players, and set the shop range to be 500. Now, all the settings of the store is done. Next, let's see how to place and set items. First, We need to create a new item for the hero to pick up. Open Object Editor, select Items, create a custom item. Go back to the main interface. Select the custom item in Object Palette, Items, and place it on the ground. We can adjust its location, angle, and scale in the same way as the units. We can also edit the item further. Select the item, click Edit Object at the bottom of Edit Object. For example, we can add an active ability for the item. In Item Attributes, select Active Ability. Double-click to edit and add an ability for it. Now, the item is almost set, but we want the item to be more conspicuous so that it is easier for players to find. Therefore, we can add a projectile for it. Let's see how to place projectiles. Open Object Editor. Select Projectiles. Add a new object. Change the name. Then, select Tab Display. Find Particle Setting on the right. Click to edit the particle and pick an effect you like. Go back to the main interface. In Object Palette, select Projectiles. Click on the projectile we just created and place it on the ground. Adjust its position, angle, and scale to help distinguish the item. So far, we have finished designing the adventure of the hero in the video. Let's test the effect together. Now, it's time to review what we learned today. We learned about how to place and set the store, items, and projectiles. In the next video, we'll introduce more about the Object Editor application. See you next time.